Alright, here we're going to integrate the fraction 1 over 2 plus the quantity x minus 1 squared dx. So this is the problem we're working with. And immediately what I notice is in the denominator I have an addition and I have this x minus 1 squared. So I'm thinking of an a squared plus a u squared. So that relates to a tangent inverse integral, which is 1 over a squared plus u squared. So if we can identify the parts and make them match up, we'll be alright. So in this, a squared equals 2, so then a must be square root of 2, so that's not going to be a big deal. Then over here where u is, it looks like u squared is holding the position of x minus 1 squared, so u must be x minus 1. So in trying to match those things up with what we have, here's the 2, which is the a squared, and the x plus 1 squared is the u squared. But then when we go to the rest of it, just trying to continue here, a is square root of 2, so that'll end up in the appropriate places over here. And we need another color. Let's use a bluish color. U is x minus 1, so that'll end up in the appropriate places over here. And the nice thing about this one was that the derivative of u, du equals dx, so that can be easily replaced as well. So we can change everything in our problem to something else. So we can replace our dx with du very easily. So all we got to do, since this thing is matched up perfectly with the left hand side of our integral formula, is go ahead and rewrite it in the right hand side. So this will be 1 over a, which is 1 over square root of 2. Then it'll be times the tangent inverse of u over a, which will be x minus 1 over square root of 2, and then plus c at the end. So we are done very quickly with this right here. So very easy problem. Just got to know where to rewrite things.